Hey friends, I am so excited to finally introduce this fabric collection to you. This one is called Planty People, and it is inspired entirely by houseplants. Only houseplants, no flowers at all. If you are someone who loves filling your home with plants, trailing vines, leafy greens, and little pops of life in every corner, this collection was made with you in mind. Let's talk about the colors first because they really set the mood. There is this one fabric with the most perfect, happiest pop of sunshine yellow you have ever seen. It instantly lifts everything around it and brings so much warmth to the palette. It feels cheerful without being loud, and it pairs beautifully with every other color in the collection. As for the prints, every design comes back to that indoor plant life. There is a pothos-inspired print with winding triangular leaves that feel gentle and flowing. The stripe print is made up of tiny sprouts, almost like a trailing vine or something spilling out of a hanging basket. It brings movement, rhythm to the collection and works so well as a stripe or binding. Planty People is cozy, happy, and a little bit playful. It is about surrounding yourself with things that grow, bringing life indoors, and finding joy in the small, everyday beauty of plants. Let's take a look at each of the fabric prints, and then we'll look at the kits that we've made for this collection.